So the pipeline coaster is, I don't know. So the pipeline coaster is like a 1.4 kilometer stretch of rolling down the hill of some sort.
Yes.
And the thing about this is, if you really want to do this, you gotta have to pick up your tickets really early or buy them online. So right now we're having about a 2.5 hour wait just for the coaster.
But they're fulfilling our numbers already.
Yeah, so we should be fine here. And that's the gondola right there that will take us up. And there's going to be a separate gondola for taking us to the coaster. Right now. On our way, go take the coaster. Top strap tight? Oh, got it. Go. We're on our way. And here we go. Woohoo! All right, guess I should brake. No, maybe not. Look at the view, holy smokes. Wow. Oh, that view, man. Woohoo! You're too slow! You're too slow! Alright, take us off. That's a wrap for that epic coaster ride. How was it? Really good, eh?
Yeah.
It was fun, and now we're on our way to do extra. So we'll see you around.